This is my regular ink mix that I divided in 5 sections. We have 100% on the left, followed by 75%, 50%, 25%, and 3 drops, which is all mixed with distilled water. I also have 2 cups that contains only water to clean my needles. Today, we're going to learn about a technique known as packing. This technique requires a slow circular motion. Letting the needles work in the skin is optimal. You cannot be rushing this technique. Having your tubes or cartridges gorged with ink and recharging it more often is a must. A solid black well saturated is what we are looking to accomplish here. I'm building my edges by making my movements smaller and more precise. I try to work the maximum width of my needle grouping. If you are interested in becoming a tattoo artist or upgrading your skill set, we provide an extensive tattoo training program that explores these techniques in more detail and covers a wide range of additional skills. For more information, you can contact us and visit our website at www.rawtattooshop.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tattoo content. Feel free to comment below with any questions or feedback. Enjoy the rest of our video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for more tattoos, tips, and tricks.